Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Arunodayam Creations. Today we are going to start a new chapter from class 9 biology, that is tissues. Tissues. So already we know that all living organisms are made up of cells. Cells are the basic units of or fundamental units of life. So every living organism body is made up of cells, just like a wall made up of so many bricks. So many bricks are together forming a wall. So just like that, every living organism body is made up of cells. So depending on the number of cells present in their body, the living organisms are divided into two types: unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Okay, unicellular organisms, for example amoeba, paramecium, their body is made up of only one cell. Uni means single, cellular. So only one cell is present in their body, and that single cell will perform all the basic functions like nutrition, respiration, excretion. So all these basic functions are performed by that single cell only. Okay, in case of multicellular organisms, multi means many, cellular. So multicellular organisms has millions of cells in their body. Millions of cells, some lakhs of cells are present in their body, and these millions of cells are specialized to carry out specific functions. They are specialized to carry specific functions. For example, take your class, your school as an example. Okay, take your class, your school as an example. You are a 9th class student. Your class has suppose 40 students are there. Okay, you have some group of people who will give you knowledge in your subject. You have some group of people who will give you some knowledge about your subject. They are called as teaching staff. Okay, you have maths teacher, physical science teacher, biological science teacher, social teacher. So all these are the teachers who are grouped together to give you knowledge on your subject. They are called as teaching staff. Okay, next, there are some group of people who will work in the office room of your school. They will monitor your fee structures, they will monitor your classroom needs. So they are called as a non-teaching staff. They are also group of people, they are called as non-teaching staff. They will monitor your needs. Next, over all these, you have management. Management, principal, vice principal, AOs are there, and they will help in running the educational institution in a better way, in a smooth way. Okay, so your school has so many groups of people like management, non-teaching staff, teaching staff, IMS. So all these are groups of people who are helping to run the educational institution in a better way. So same like that in living organisms also, these millions of cells in multicellular organisms, these cells are grouped together in order to perform a specific function, and group of cells are present. Okay, so many cells are present in a group, that's why they will perform the function in a very efficient way, in a better way. For example, in human beings we have muscle cells. We have so many muscle cells in our body, and these muscle cells will contract and relax and help us to give movements to our body. They will contract and relax, and they will help in giving movements to our body. We have nerve cells also. Nearly 100 millions of nerve cells are present in our body, and these nerve cells will carry information from sense organs to brain and from brain to sense organs. We have blood. Nearly 4 to 5 liters of blood is there in our body. It is composed of so many cells, and these cells present in the blood help in the transportation of oxygen, carbon dioxide, food, hormones, waste materials. So many functions are performed by blood cells. So all these are the cells, they are grouping together in order to perform a specific function. So like this, our body is made up of so many groups of cells. In case of plants, say for example, they have vascular tissue. These vascular tissues have so many cells, and they will help in the conduction of food and water. So overall, in case of multicellular organisms, we can see division of labor. That means in order to perform or in order to run a particular function, they are dividing. So the cells present in our body are dividing in order to perform specific functions. Okay, particular function is carried out by a cluster of cells called as tissue. So group of cells, we are talking about group of cells. Those group or cluster of cells together called as a tissue here, which give highest possible efficiency of functions. So we are talking about tissues. Some group of cells or cluster of cells are called as tissues. They will help in highest possible efficiency of body functions. Let us see what is the definition of tissue. A group of cells that are similar in structure or work together to achieve a particular function forms a tissue. Tissue means it has a group of cells which are similar in structure. They are all look alike and they will work together to perform a particular function, to perform a particular function. Say for example, our kidneys has so many cells. All those cells are grouped together to purify our blood. So the cells present in our kidney are divided into tissues. The cells present in our heart will help in pumping blood to all body parts. So the cells present in our heart are grouped together to form tissues. There are so many cells in our lungs. Those are useful for exchange of gases. So those are also grouped together to form tissues. So like this, our body, our living organism's body will have so many cells and they will group together to form so many tissues in order to perform specific functions. That is about our topic, that is introduction to tissues topic. Okay, if you have any doubts, please ask me in comment section. If you find that this video is knowledgeable, then please like this video, share this video with your classmates and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.